Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Avengers gadgets. We'll start by exploring some easy-to-find materials that can transform into heroic gear. You don't need advanced skills, just a bit of creativity and a few common items from around your home. We'll focus on safety first, ensuring all steps are manageable and fun for everyone. Get ready to unleash your inner inventor and bring your favorite superhero tools to life with simple, accessible methods. Next, let's build Iron Man's repulsor ray. You'll need a small, battery-operated flashlight and a sturdy plastic cup. Cut the cup to fit over the flashlight's head, then add details using red and gold craft foam. These colors will give it that authentic Iron Man look. Carefully glue the pieces together, making sure the flashlight's beam can still project forward. It's a simple yet effective way to create a powerful-looking prop. Now for Captain America's iconic shield. Grab a large, round piece of cardboard, ideally about 18 inches in diameter. This will be your sturdy base. Begin by painting the classic red, white, and blue concentric circles, starting from the outside in. Finish it off by carefully adding a crisp white star in the very center. This project is all about precision and getting those colors just right to honor the first Avenger. Finally, let's construct Thor's mighty Mjolnir. Find a sturdy cardboard box, roughly 6 by 6 inches, for the hammerhead. Then, attach a strong cardboard tube to serve as the handle, securing it firmly. Paint the hammerhead a metallic silver and wrap the handle with faux leather or brown fabric for an authentic grip. This powerful prop is perfect for any aspiring Asgardian. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.